Alright guys, so unfortunately, I'm using a new iPad Pro I bought, and I'm not very well, I wasn't used to the settings for the recording, and I missed the whole beginning part of this video. So that's why I'm showing you guys a picture right now. That's what the lock looked like originally, and you'll see what it looks like at the end. Now I want you guys to comment in the comment section what you guys think the lock is going to look like at the end of this video. Do you think the whole thing is going to melt? Do you think only parts of it is going to melt? And another strange thing happened when I was melting this, so I'll address that when it comes up. But for right now, let me know in a comment what you think will happen to this lock when I melt it in a furnace, or when I attempt to melt it in a furnace, better said. So that all being said, I will cut to the video, so enjoy. Alright guys, so in this next little bit, you guys will see me open the furnace lid, and for some reason, I guess some chemical reaction happened when a lot of air got in there, and a bunch of yellow smoke starts coming out. So I took some safety precautions and stayed upwind, and eventually I got a face mask so that I wouldn't inhale any of those fumes in case it was zinc or any other toxic metal. So if you guys have any idea what that is or why it happened, please let me know in the comments. I'm very curious as to what that smoke is and whether it's dangerous or not. That doesn't look very healthy. Trying to stay upwind of it. I'm pretty sure a lot of that's copper, but some of it might be zinc, so I do not want to breathe any of that. I'm gonna stay back here until it cools down, guys, and then we'll continue the video. I'm gonna try and pour it. Oh, my bad. I will try and pour it onto that rock right there as soon as I feel safe that I won't inhale those fumes.
I know their face mask or something.
that's what it looks like. It looks like it might have been made out of aluminum on the inside with a coating of some sort of coppery substance. That's hard to see inside the crucible right now. Let's see. That's what it looks like in there. I don't know how hard it is. Let's look over here. Looks like this thing survived. I believe this part's probably made out of steel. Steel has a really high melting point, so looks like my. Oh, let's pick that up. Look at that. Looks like copper. Looks like it has a copper outer. Yeah, it's definitely copper. What about these things? Look at that. All this slag. I bet that's still really hot. Well, I think I'm gonna wash that crucible and then maybe combine this slag of copper with my other slag of copper. So I'll show you guys. This one here, I was trying to make a key one time. It is actually silver, copper, and gold. I don't know if I want to mix that copper with my silver and gold though. This is mostly gold and silver. I could try mixing them to make some sort of like rose gold color slag. I mean, yeah. So that's basically it. I don't know if you guys found that interesting, but I made a huge mess. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed that. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys in another video. Alright guys, if you enjoyed that, make sure you subscribe. If you guys are subscribed to my channel for my gaming content, stay tuned. I will put out some new videos soon. So that all being said, again, thank you guys for watching. I know that was a little underwhelming, but I hope you guys learned something.